Hello everybody, it's Aditya here. This is an unboxing video of a light. In this video, I'm going to unbox this light. This is a bicycle light. In this video, I will unbox it and I will make a small review on this light. So, without any further talks, here we go. At first, let's see the unboxing. Yeah, friends, this is a bicycle light with an horn in itself. At first, let's talk about the light. This light has totally about three modes. The first mode is the glare mode. We can able to get about 250 lumens of brightness, and then the second mode is low light. It blows about in 125 lumens of brightness, and the third mode is strobe, which also blows in 250 lumens of brightness. This light has about an 1200 milliamp hour of battery, so while on the glare mode it can blow continuously about 2.5 hours, and while on the low light it can continuously blow about 5 hours, and while on the strobe mode it can continuously blow about 3.5 hours. I'll display the specification of this light in the screen right now, so if you want to read, just pause the video and read it. The battery in this light is a rechargeable battery. You can recharge it by opening this lid here. It's a micro USB pin, and I got a USB to micro USB pin with this light. You probably watched it in the unboxing. So now let's talk about the horn. Yeah, the horn is pretty good, and here this is the button to switch on the light and to change the mode. While you're pressing the first time, the light blows off, it's in the strobe mode, and the second press will make the light to go to the low light mode, and the third one is for the strobe mode, and by clicking the first time the light goes off. This light needs to be charged about 2.5 hours, and there is an LED indication light to show the percentage of the battery while charging. There is a rubber strap in this light which makes you to easily fix and remove on your cycle's handlebar. Now let's talk about the horn. It's pretty good. The horn of this light is not much loud. It is about 140 decibels. Every day early morning I'll go for cycling within 5:15 to 5:30. I'll start within 5:15 to 5:30. So at that time the surroundings will be quiet and no other sound in the surroundings will become. So while that time the horn will be perfect and it will be okay for you, but while on the daytime, while on the noon and evening time, the horn will not be much louder. It will be just you can hear it easily, and the only few steps before you around you can hear this sound. So it's not much louder to use in the daytime, but on the night time, I mean the early morning, at the times the surroundings will be so quiet, so at that time the horn will be perfect for you. If you are the person who is searching to buy a bicycle light, you can buy this light. It's a awesome product, and the design of this light is also pretty good, but don't buy this bicycle light only for the horn use, because the horn is not much louder on the daytime. So keep in mind that while buying this bicycle light, the horn is not much louder in the daytime. If you want to view the selling page of this bicycle light, go and click the first link in the description box below. And I bought it from Flipkart, so I gave the link in the description box. Now take a look of this product. The horn of this bicycle light is down here. While fixing it to the bicycle, the horn goes to the down, but anyway the horn is sounds good at the morning time. The quality of this product is awesome. um, the quality is much good. The design is good, and everything is good, so it's a valuable thing under this price segment. And I bought this product for about 405 rupees, around that. So I gave the link in the description box below. Go and check that out. Now I will add some of the video clips which I took while cycling, so you can yourself directly view the brightness of this light while at the 5:30 a.m. in the morning. It's 5:30 in the a.m. Okay guys, let's keep this product aside. Now let's talk about the DTech. Sorry guys, I can't post any video regularly as I promised. I am trying my best to upload the videos regularly. I will try whenever I get free time. I will shoot the video and upload it. And I would like to make one more announcement here. Every week, I will shoot some of the videos to upload it in Instagram. I am learning cinematography, so that I will take some video clips every week and I will edit it and upload it in my Instagram page. Many of my friends asked me, why are you posting in Instagram? You can post it YouTube itself. Then my answer is, most of the music which I use in my videos are copyrighted. So if I upload that in YouTube, I may get copyright claims, copyright strike. Totally, I uploaded two videos, week 3 and week 4 videos. Unfortunately, I can't upload week 1 and week 2 cinematography videos. So I'm continuing from week 3 and I'm continuing from week 3. Now week 5 cinematography video is on progress. Some of this shoot is remaining. This weekend I will shoot the videos and edit it. Go and check my Instagram page from the second link in the description box below. That's it friends, we reached the end of the video. I hope you guys like this video, and let's see you in the next video. Until then, thank you guys.